Hello everyone, today we are bringing this delicious classic dish from the Levant, yogurt chickpea fatteh. This is a simple recipe that combines toasted bread, seasoned chickpeas, garlic yogurt, and the sizzling hot finish. Fatteh is a personal favorite hummus recipe, and it's so easy you can put it together in no time. So stick around, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification button to get notified every time we post a new video. Now let's get to it. First, the bread. We are using one medium-sized flatbread. Flatbread works best for fatteh, and it's quite easy to find these days, especially in Middle Eastern supermarkets. We'll open the flatbread at the seam, and then we'll brush the inner side with some olive oil, which will help it toast better in the oven. We want to cover the entire surface like this. Once we're done, we're gonna toast it in a preheated oven under the grill at 200 degrees Celsius. After some time, the bread will become nicely crisp, toasted, and golden brown. Now the part that I enjoy the most. After the bread has cooled down for some minutes, we'll crush it into bite-sized pieces. Let's now season our chickpeas. We're going to season our chickpeas with some salt and this 3-spice mix of cinnamon, black pepper, and allspice. To make this yourself, just grind the spices separately, then mix 2 parts cinnamon, 1 part black pepper, and 1 part allspice. You can also just replace with either cinnamon or cumin. Now we have 2 cups of cooked chickpeas. We'll add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon spice mix and mix together. The chickpeas we're using here today are dry chickpeas that we previously soaked and boiled. You want to learn how to prepare dried chickpeas, you can check out our video on the card appearing now on the screen. Of course, you can always use canned chickpeas. If you decide on doing that, just wash them well, put them in a pot, cover with water, throw in a cinnamon stick and bring the water to a medium simmer. Then cook the chickpeas until they become warm and soft for about 15 to 20 minutes. Chickpeas are ready. Let's move to the third layer, the garlic yogurt. We'll start with just 1 clove of garlic. Add a pinch of salt and pound. Now add the garlic to 2 cups of yogurt and mix well. Make sure here to taste the yogurt, which has to be nicely salted and garlicky. If it needs for more salt, just add a pinch and mix. Now that the yogurt is done, let's move on to plating. We're first gonna spread the toasted flatbread on the plate. And then we'll add the seasoned chickpeas, and the garlic yogurt on top. Now the best part for last. Fatteh is incomplete without its final finish. For this part, we're preparing toasted almonds with ghee and Aleppo peppers. We'll add some slivered almonds and ghee to a pan and cook till the almonds are nicely toasted and golden in color. Now another great drizzle combo is butter and pine nuts, which works great as well, especially if you're not a fan of ghee. If you choose this butter pine nut combo, make sure not to brown the butter because that will change the flavor. Now our almonds look done. Turn off the heat and then add 1 teaspoon of Aleppo pepper. This is totally optional, but we really like the kick it adds. This is now sizzling hot. We'll immediately pour it on top of our cold yogurt and hear it sizzle. One more time, and one last time. Garnish with some parsley and enjoy immediately. And there you have it, a classic chickpea fatteh. This dish is traditionally eaten for breakfast, but for us, we can eat this anytime really. We really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share your comments, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.